If you are someone who deals with data analysis and presentation, and if you are someone who is planning to begin career in data analysis, then I am going to introduce a very interesting tool to you in today's video. This is basically a paid tool, and if you pay it for once, then I guarantee you that you will never regret your decision. So first go to Google and type bricks.com, and here you will see the option Bricks Your AI Data Analyst. Click on that. Here you are supposed to first register yourself. I have already registered myself, so I am going to click Login. Here you will see some options. You can see here dashboard and report, slides, separate sheet and organization chart. For now, I want to create dashboard and report. I already have some information in the form of Excel sheet, so I am going to import that data. When you click on import, you will again find some options. I have an Excel file, so I am going to choose that, and let's select our file. It will take some time to import your data, and here you can see it has imported my data. Here I have information about customer ID, some products that they purchased, and this information is basically divided region wise, and then I have information about the sale volume. Here you will find different options like create dashboard, create slides, sort column, filter column. These are basically manual options. I am more interested in dashboard and creating slides. So first let's create our dashboard. Click on create dashboard, and then it will take some time to analyze your data. So here you can see it has created an interactive and beautiful dashboard from your data. If you want to make any changes, you can type it here, and then it will again make the changes according to your requirement. Here we can see our interactive charts, and then you can move to dashboard data, and here you will see your data sorted in different categories. Basically, AI has used these categories to create your charts. Okay, these are completely interactive. You can click on anything and then avail the option of filter. Let's see, I want to look at clothing. I can apply filter, click on apply, and see it is showing me the values of clothing. So it is completely interactive. You can make any changes that you want, and once the dashboard is complete, you can import them by clicking on share. But importing into Excel or any other format is a premium feature. You have to pay for the tool to import them. Otherwise, you can copy the link from here and share it for the preview purpose. You can also change the formats of your dashboards from here. You can find here theme styles. So you can see that I click on energetic, and the colors of all my charts have been changed. And now if you want it in the form of presentation, then you can click on generate, and from here choose slides. Click on that. So again it will take some time to convert our dashboard into the PowerPoint slide. So here you can see it has created beautiful slides from your data, and you can download them from here and present to your client. So you can see that this tool is quite efficient to accomplish your task in minutes. Just pay for it to unlock its full potential and enjoy creating free data analysis dashboard. If you liked today's video, then don't forget to hit like, drop a comment and subscribe to my channel.